Walking to excursions now. Jacob's putting his poncho on. Hey Jacob, how are you feeling?
Good.
He looks terrible in that poncho. Got my Google Fi working. Getting on Facebook. We went to the wrong place, but we got there. Where are we going? The Gambolimba Park. Pretty crappy day out. But I got internet. We're going to pet some monkeys and some sloths and see some iguanas. Oh no.
Right here, just turn around there. There we go.
He's so cute. Oh, hi, buddy.
Tony.
Aww. They're so fuzzy.
Just don't move, kid. Just don't react very fast. You need to be very calm when the monkey jumps to your throat.
Jacob.
Picture of Jacob.
Oh, you want to come back to me? Okay.
Put your hat
Do
up.
you want to come back to me? This one's so cute.
You could do it. You could do it. Put your net of hand.
Hi, buddy.
How are you doing?
You playing with your hair? Oh.
All right.
Oh, he's scratching his head on you.
You're so fuzzy.
Just having fun with you.
He's flipping you off. Hi, buddy. I think he's chosen you.
Yeah, he likes me.
Oh, he's doing something with his mouth.
Hey, monkey.
Hey, buddy. Are you scratching your head? Hi. Oh, yeah, you. Oh, goodbye. I hope I got that all on video.
Would you like me to take a picture?
No, it's good. It's rolling camera. Okay. We're gonna retry. Oh, he doesn't like
He
me.
likes the big tree.
It's okay, buddy.
Maybe take off this one. There. Bye.
Oh no. He's got snack. Oh. Oh no. There we go. Now we're happy.
Okay, you ready, sir? Stand here, please.
Oh, you're dropping your snacky snacks. It's been raining the entire time, but we helped monkeys and some birds. Good evening, guys. You guys last saw Jacob and I at the Gambolimba Park Animal Sanctuary, I think, where it was raining and downpouring. Jacob and I went and came back and went shopping for just touristy stuff before we had to get back on the ship at 4:30. I got these little bobblehead thing. I get these in every country that I go to. They're just these cute little animals. That one's a froggy. Jacob got a shirt. Oh, where's the side of this? Did I lose the side of my camera? I guess I better find that. But anyway, I've lost the little port covering that goes over the SD card and the charging port. But anyway, regardless of that, Jacob and I came back. We went to dinner at the Manhattan Room. Then we went to Majority Rules. We played that. Oh, we played some scratch cards. I like bought $20 worth because they were having like a promotion, and then I won $10 back. We took pictures and I ruined them because I laughed too hard. Is that right, Jacob? And then we came back here, I think. Jacob has clothing on, I promise. He's just messing around on my side of the bed. Would you like to share what you did?
I proposed.
That's right. So Jacob and I've known that Jacob was going to do this for a very long time. Jacob and I pretty early on, we've also been dating for over a year, I might mention that, because I sporadically post on YouTube, and I don't think things like add up or make sense at times. But Jacob and I pretty early on, like 2 or 3 months, figured out that we were the ones for each other. We kind of like had many sit-downs where we were like, oh shit, I think we're the ones. So this is the ring that Jacob bought. Ta-da! It's terrible lighting right now, but that is rose gold, and those are all diamonds. Not one of them is fake, and it's going in our safe of our room, so I don't lose tomorrow, because tomorrow we are going to Belize, Harvest Caye, and we are going snorkeling on the world's largest second barrier reef, which I'm super excited about. And I've been wanting to snorkel on the largest barrier reef in Australia for like forever, but obviously I'm not made of money, and I'm not going to get to Australia anytime soon. So that's our thing for tomorrow. We don't have to get off our excursion till 11:20, so we can go to sleep. It's about 11 now, so we'll probably sleep till 9 or 10 and then get our show on the road.